seen the format specifiers for printf as well as scanf. When a format specifier that is used to print a value of the variable. For example, %d is a format specifier which is used to print an integer value. %f a floating value, %c a character value, %x or hexadecimal value, %o octal value, %I is for an integer value. We have seen these format specifiers. Now let's put these format specifiers in its practical purpose. We have seen even flags with these formatted output. The basic formatted specifiers like %10d or 13d or 15d or 25d. Now we can illustrate this for some floating values, some integer values also. Let's take up two values, one as integer and one as floating values, and illustrate all the specifiers with these instructions itself. As usual, let's include the header files. I'll say hash include str.h void main, the title of the function. Now, let me take an integer variable for illustration as int a equals to say 25 and a float variable as say b equals to 317.7375. You can have any of these values. You can take up a different number when you are trying to practice these examples. You can write the same printf instruction and try to guess the output with your own values. Here, I am going to express how exactly the output is going to achieve using these values. So I have considered two variables, a of type integer, b of type float, with the value 25 and 317.75. Now, let me write a normal printf instruction to display these values. I'll say printf %d %f/n, a, b. Now, no prize for guessing the output of this instruction. If I assume this to be the left hand side of the screen, how exactly the output appears? So let me write the output of these examples, output of these numbers at this place. The first printf will produce this output. So %d prints the value of a, that is 25, and then I have left a space, hence it will leave a space. %f will print the value of b as 317.75. So here I have used just format specifiers. Now let me use a formatted output with these specifiers. Let me say printf %d say 15f. Here I am going to apply formatting for only a and b, or only the variable b at this place. Let me try this for variable b with 15f. Now, when I use formatted outputs in this, the specifiers %d is used to print the value of a, that is integer, %f is to print the value of b. Logically, it could have printed only 317.75, but in fact, this will not be just 317.75. A %f specifier will always print the fractional value with 6 decimal digits. Hence, the value of b, for you it might be 317.75, but on the screen you'll get this output. Now, when I apply this specifier %15f for this, so second printf will not have any change, 25 will be printed as it is. Now, how %f and %15f is going to differ? When I say %15f, it means that the floating value has to be displayed within 15 spaces. Remember, 15 spaces. So let me count the digits in the entire variable. When I'm supposed to count the digits, never take the variable value which is stored. Always take the one which is stored internally. So how many digits are there? 6 in the fractional part, 7 is a decimal point, 8, 9, 10. So I have total 10 digits in this. How many spaces are there? 15 spaces. So I'm supposed to get how many spaces first? 5 spaces, and then print the number 317.75 followed by 6 zeros in this case. 6 zeros in this case. So here the output is generated with right justification. So instead of %15f, if I could have written %-15f, then in that case first the number would have been printed and then the spaces would have been generated. Right? Now let's try one more printf with different specifier. Now I'll try only for variable b, floating point values. I'll say printf percentage f slash n, percentage g slash n, and percentage e slash n. Now all the three times I wish to print the value of b itself. Let's look at the difference in the output with variable b with f, e and g specifier. Before we start with this, let's recollect what we said for percentage f, percentage g, percentage e. Percentage f says print a floating point number with 6 fractional digits. Percentage g says print the floating point number as it is without any additional zeros. And percentage e says print the floating point number in exponential format. How exactly it is going to be printed? Let's try this. Percentage f, print the value of b, that is 317.75 followed by 6 zeros. After that slashing, get the cursor next line. Percentage g is to print the value of b one more time. So here percentage g says print the number without additional zeros in the fractional part. What the number is stored? 317.75. Print the number as it is. And then percentage e specifier again prints the value of b, but this time it says print the value of b in this exponential format. But rule says for exponential format there has to be only one digit before the decimal point. So it means that I had to adjust this decimal point towards left hand side. So the number which is going to be constructed is 3.1775 and I'll put up 2 zeros. So the number is now constructed as 3.177500, which means the value which is going to be printed for the floating point number is now going to be in the exponential format, which means there should be only one number before the decimal point. But in this process, I have aligned this particular number. Whenever in our mathematics, whenever we align the decimal digit, what we do is we multiply the number with powers of 10. Since I have moved this towards left hand side, I'll multiply this with positive powers of 10. So the number is 3.1775 into 10 to the power of 2. If it is 10 to the power of 2, can I write 10 to the power of 2? No. In this case, what it does is it will represent this as e and then followed by 2 at this place. Probably the output which is displayed for all the three specifiers might be different, but internally the number is still 317.75. Nothing difference in these three numbers. It's all the same value itself. So a floating point number can be used with three specifiers f, e and g. So this is the output for the third specifier. Let's try one last printf for displaying the value of a with the different specifications. So let's try this. I'll say printf percentage d slash n percentage o slash n percentage x slash n comma. In this case, I'll print the value of a always. So what will be the output of these three cases? So let's try the fourth output in this case. In the fourth output, percentage d says print the value of a. A का value कितना है? 25. So I'll say a is 25. So 25 as it is. After that, slash n will get the cursor next line. Percentage o for a, which means that I'm supposed to print the octal equivalent of this particular a. How do I get the octal equivalent of this? The octal equivalent of this is 3, 1. How do I write this number? How do I get this particular value? For that, let's do a simple mathematics. So what it is, take 25, then divide this by 8. 8, 3s are 24, remainder is 1. So the number which is constructed is 31, hence the output appears is 31. So it means that 31 is the octal equivalent of 25. Next specifier says percentage x and then a. Again print the hexadecimal value of a. For hexadecimal conversion, again take 25 and divide it by 16. 16, 1s are 16, remainder is 9 in this case. So the digit which is constructed is 19. So on the screen, I'll get 19 output, which means that I'm going to use 19 as a hexadecimal equivalent of 25, 31 as octal equivalent of this particular 25. So I printed the value of A on the screen with three specifiers, %D, %O and %X. If you feel that these specifiers or octal values or decimal values had to be printed with their preceding values, that is 0 and 0x, what I can do is I can use a printf instruction at this place. I'll say printf %D /n %#O /n %#X /n comma A. So hash flag just makes the output appear with three specifiers. So we have seen the printf with the %O, %D, %X, which prints the values. If you feel that these octal values and hexadecimal values should be preceded by 0 and 0x, in that case I can use a hash flag. What a hash flag does, the hash flag with O specifier prints the octal number with 0. The hash flag with X specifier prints the hexadecimal value with 0x. Let's try the output for the last printf, that is fifth printf. I'll write the output next to this because the outputs are going to remain same except a small change with the first digit. %D as it is, no guess for this, 25. %#O. The hash flag says that you are supposed to print the octal equivalent of A, but this time precede the number with 0. So on the screen you will get 0, 3, 1. We have said that whenever the first digit is 0, the number should be read as an octal value. In the previous case, if someone looks at 31, he might feel that as a decimal value, but this is more appropriate. When someone looks at 0 as the first digit, he will automatically identify that this is a hexadecimal or octal value. Similarly, #X says 0x, again A is a 19, 1 and 9 at this place. So hexadecimal value is printed with 0x19. So we have seen what F, G and E specifier do with the floating point values, what O and X along with the D do with decimal values, and one formatted output specifier, that is %15f, which makes the number to be printed with some blank spaces. Thank you.